welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've been in the warehouse, but today is going to be a long video. So if y'all don't like long videos, sorry. This probably is going to be, I'm going to try to keep it under an hour. Basically what I'm doing today, I have an order for an Oklahoma University apron. So here's the material right here. And this is going to be the body of the apron, and this is going to be the pocket, and also this will be the color of the adjustable string, you know, to go around your neck and tie around. But today basically all I was going to do is finish this up. I need to do some sweeping and dusting around the warehouse, and also I may whip out the embroidery part of my machine and show y'all how I do some embroidery, but I might save that for another video because it's still getting hot here. It's supposed to be up in the high 90s today, and your girl don't want to have a heat stroke. So what I'm doing, I was just ironing this pocket, some of the wrinkles out, and I'm gonna go over this fabric a few times to iron some of this out, and then I'm gonna start making the apron. So follow along. A few things that I'm planning on doing in the next couple of weeks. I'm hoping it cools down before the end of the month. Today's the 1st, so I'm hoping it cools down before the end of the month, so I can get in here and get some projects done that I've been wanting to do here. It seemed like every time I start something at home, it doesn't, let me zoom out. Every time I start doing something at home, I'll be like, oh, I forgot that it's down at the warehouse. And I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna wait until I get to the warehouse. But I'm getting really excited for the holidays because I've already been eyeing a bunch of holiday patterns for tote bags and reversible totes and some aprons, and looking at some wine bottle designs for the holidays. I've been going through my phone. I found all my old pictures of all my wine bottle stuff that I did back in, like, I think 2016, 2018, somewhere around there. And they gave me some ideas, and I'm like, oh, I can do it again, but I know how to do it up this time. So I'm also gonna you know, find some projects to do online, holiday themed. I love doing Christmas stuff. I'll do some fall stuff for Thanksgiving and Halloween, but I really like doing holiday stuff. Also, there was a show that I was looking at. I'm gonna be busy up until like November the 4th. I'm gonna be busy all of like November except the 4th and the first week of December. But I was eyeing this event. I think Eaton High School cheerleaders putting on a holiday bazaar up in Haslett, Texas, and I was thinking about setting up there. I emailed them last night, but from what it looked like, there was a waiting list for the indoor booths, but I would need an indoor booth with all this fabric stuff. I don't want a chance of it getting wet if it rained or blowing over on the ground or something. So I emailed her to see if there was anything available indoors. If there's not, then I'm going to see about getting on the waiting list for a 10 by 10 or an 8 by 12 spot. I wanted a 10 by 10. So I'm going to check my email later to see if that's something that I can do for November the 4th before the holidays start. And I was going to make up a bunch of stuff in October. I don't have anything planned. Like, I don't have much planned anytime really. So I was going to make up a bunch of stuff in November, well, October, for the November show if I get in on that. There aren't any other shows I could do. I don't set up at my own events already. I don't like doing that. I'm not gonna do that. But November the 4th, I want to do that. So I am about to start folding up the edges, and I will be right back. Okay, everybody, I am back. I'm almost finished with the apron. All I have to do is make the dividers for the pocket, basically sew down. I wanted to have 3 separate compartments. Here it is. I'm gonna make 3 separate compartments, give it a press, and I will be complete. The person I'm making this for is 5'3" and probably about 240 pounds. I'm not sure how big around that is, so what I did was when I made the angled cut on the sides here, you see here how, let me do this for you. You see how this is at an angle? That's angled. So what I did was I used the pieces that I angled and I cut the edging and I added it to the straps. So in case the original straps weren't long enough, I added this little extender. It's probably another 12 inches on each side, and 12 inches can make all the difference, so I want him to be able to fit it. That sounded dirty, didn't it? But I'm just to finish this up. I'm going to measure with my trusty ruler to determine how wide I want each pocket. So 12. And then another 6, so it's 18. So I'm thinking 9. I could make 2 pockets, but I really wanted 3. So what I'm thinking, make one about 6. I want the hands to be able to get in there comfortably. So what I'm going to do, make them about 6. And then or better yet, see, I was thinking of going for like a thermometer, a meat thermometer or something, to slip it inside here. So I'm thinking 4, and then 7 and 7. What's the total of this? It's about 18. So I'll do 4 inches. And then do 7. Yeah, I'm going to do that. So 4 inches. See this marker here disappearing ink. So and then 7 right here. So this is what I'm gonna do. So be right back. Let me press it with my iron over here, and it will be complete. Ta-da! Oklahoma University apron. So, let me iron this. Ooh. You gotta be from that freaking erasable pen. Oh yeah, it's fading. Okay, so I'm gonna snip the loose little threads here and there. And it's adjustable. So, apron complete. I'm gonna go take pictures of it over on my mannequin. Be right back. Y'all, it's hot. It's probably about 10:45 now. I got up here at 7 something. At 7 o'clock. I grabbed something to eat outside at 6:45. From 7 to like 10:33. I've been working on this apron. I need to charge more for these aprons. I'm only charging like $25 for this one, and like about $8, $10 the supplies. But it is hot in here, so I'm about to edit this video, schedule it to upload for this evening. My goal right now is 1 video a week. I'm gonna post some stuff on my community, my YouTube community, and on my Instagram. And I'm gonna start putting my Instagram in you know, my description, and y'all will be able to go to my Instagram and follow me on Instagram from there. So a couple of things that I'm about to do. I got to get the information from my husband. Instead of me running all over creation trying to find everything to put together him a savings binder, I ordered one offline. I have a pink sparkly one, and he has this one. I also, over there, I have tons of savings challenges. So my next video is going to be a savings challenge video. And also, I was thinking about making another purse like this one, but I'm not going to mess up on the handles next time. They're not like perfectly even, and that irks me. But this has a pocket here, and then a pocket here, and fabric on this side, and it's reversible. So made a matching scrunchie. But I think I'm gonna start rocking this purse. See, it's a reversible, but I love this pattern here. So I was like, I'm gonna make a purse like that. And this is my first like jean project. But y'all, that's all I got for today. I figured y'all didn't want to follow me step by step with the apron. I made an apron before back in May, and I pretty much, you know, I did the cut in and out after each step. I told you what I was gonna do. Did it off camera and came back and showed you what it looked like. As I said before, I'm still fairly new to sewing. I got my first little Walmart Finest sewing machine back in December, and I upgraded to Big Baby right here. And I'm thinking it's time to upgrade again. But I wanted to show y'all my embroidery side, but I will do that also. I'm going to do my savings challenge, and I'm going to do my embroidery because I got to embroider my shirts before the 16th. So I have 2 black t-shirts I need to embroider with the lime green embroidery thread up there. So I'm going to show y'all that, and I'm going to put together my husband's binder within the next couple of weeks. So just in case, I'm going to take everything home with me in case I end up doing a video at home because it's still too hot. I'm just to go. So y'all have any comments or questions or suggestions of things that I can do for an upcoming video, drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I know, shameless plug, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.